Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2, guys. Mic check 1 2. All right, guys. In this video, we're gonna talk about controlling the narrative and trying to save face. So this video was just released by Texit. All right, and you see this little turd right here. All right, let's see. Listen to what he's saying, guys. This is oh, okay. Bobby Gray asks him, hey, you guys had some meetings in Texaco, Colorado. He's like, yeah, we had this, but listen.
We're expecting a big turnout at all of these meetings, so we're pretty excited about that. We made 3 stops in Colorado.
You see how he's hyping it up? They're excited about all these stops they made in Colorado. They were successful and great.
Those went exceptionally well, and then we had some fireworks.
Notice how he say they went exceptionally well, because they're presenting this to the public right now, guys. But everybody knows at this stage what Texit Raider done released about what happened in one of those meetings in Colorado. Now, did the same thing happen at the other ones? We don't know, right? The public doesn't know because we weren't there. There was no video footage of that. So I don't know. We can take this at like a grain of salt, right? Because did it really happen, right? Because when Bobby Gray asked, he's telling them, hey, they went great, but we know otherwise, right? With that said, guys, I'm gonna end this video really quickly and show you this. Show less. Look at this. Comments are turned off. Once again, this Team Texit, or whatever they call themselves now, the Iskander Digital Mining Cooperative fan page, are turning off the comments. Why? Because people are complaining in the comments. People are tired of hearing the same old jargon over and over and over again. So guys, when you see these videos like this, know that they are completely targeted, controlled. It's like being in an echo chamber where there's only one message that's being pushed out to you guys, and they are not leaving room for anybody else to change your mind or your thinking. Therefore, a brother like me got to do videos like this just to remind you, look at other sources. Don't just trust everything these guys are saying, because they are incentivized to take your money. And it doesn't matter to me if you spend your money with them or not. But for those of you that are sincere in searching for things like this and want to learn more and not get ripped off, that's what I'm here for, right? All right, peeps, that's all I got for you, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.